हाय गाइस, वेलकम टू बियर बाइसेप्स स्किल हाउस। मेरा नाम है राजस और आज हम बात करने वाले हैं आर्ट और फोटोग्राफी के बारे में, स्पेसिफिकली आर्ट इन फोटोग्राफी के बारे में। सो आई वुड लाइक टू स्टार्ट दिस वीडियो बाय डिस्कसिंग व्हाट वी अंडरस्टैंड एज आर्ट। मेरे डेफिनेशन में आर्ट इज एन एक्सप्रेशन ऑफ योर ओन क्रिएटिविटी। व्हेनेवर यू गेट अ क्रिएटिव आइडिया, आपको उस क्रिएटिव आइडिया को एक मीडियम के थ्रू एक्सप्रेस करने की इच्छा होती है। दैट मीडियम कैन बी अ सॉन्ग, अ पोएम, अ पेंटिंग, अ वीडियो, और विद रिस्पेक्ट टू टुडेज लेसन, अ फोटो। Collectively, these mediums of expression are called art. So, when we talk about art in photography, you can understand that the subject in your photo, or the background in your photo, or background plus subject, all these things become your art. सुनने में ये सब बहुत free flowing लगता है, but there are certain rules in the creation of art as well. But before you get scared, you can definitely break these rules, but only if you know them really well. Now, to understand art and photography better, let's take a look at some of these examples on screen. एक तरफ है रणवीर एंड दूसरे तरफ भी है रणवीर। दोनों में ही इज वर्किंग ऑन समथिंग यूजिंग अ लैपटॉप एंड यूजिंग अ कंप्यूटर। Let's compare these photos side by side and break down what we see in them. In the first photo, we can see a person working on a PC. बहुत ज्यादा फोकस से वो स्क्रीन पर कुछ देख रहा है और ये भी दिख रहा है हमें कि ये एक ऑफिस एनवायरनमेंट है। सेकंड फोटो में हमें दिखाई दे रहा है कि he is working on a laptop and he is once again focused on the task at hand. Ranveer is working by himself. It's a dark, dimly lit room and there is only a single source of light. ये सारे एलिमेंट्स हमें फोटो में दिखाई दे रहे हैं। रणवीर के कपड़े, बैकग्राउंड, लाइट, उसका एक्सप्रेशन भी। Similar elements to the first one, right? But the big difference between the two is that I call this photo a documentation and this one art. अब इसे मैं एक documentation इसलिए बोल रहा हूँ because we can only deduce from this कि रणवीर कुछ कर रहा है एक ऑफिस के रूम में, and that's it. We don't know what is going on in his mind, what is going on in his life. We don't know कि वो इतने intensity के साथ किस पे काम कर रहा है. Whereas if you see the other photo, I call it art because you see something is definitely happening in his life. The source of the light, the shadows, the colors used in the photo or the colors not used in the photo are definitely a representation of some form of art. आपको महसूस होता है ये फोटो देखने से कि ओके शायद रणवीर कुछ बात को लेकर टेंस है, स्ट्रगल कर रहा है। शायद वो जो वॉल्स पे फ्रेम्स है, दोज आर अ रिप्रेजेंटेशन ऑफ हिज थॉट्स। यू कैन सी कि ही इज डेफिनेटली वर्किंग हार्ड बिकॉज ऑफ हाउ देयर इज अ लाइट सोर्स इल्यूमिनेटिंग हिज फेस स्टैंडिंग आउट फ्रॉम द बैकग्राउंड। आपको ऐसे लगता है अंधेरे के वजह से, एम्प्टीनेस के वजह से, दिस इज द एंड ऑफ द डे एंड ही इज स्टिल वर्किंग। Maybe it's like the darkness is his self-doubt, but the small yet bright light coming out of the keyboard of his laptop is his creativity speaking through him and illuminating the darkness. This is why this photo is what I consider as art. पहले वाले फोटो में भले ही एलिमेंट सेम है, which is light, expression, background, clothes, etc. What's setting these two photos apart is how these elements are used to create art. एक और एलिमेंट जो इन्हें अलग बनाता है is perspective. डॉक्यूमेंटेशन वाले फोटो में it's a straightforward perspective, बस कैमरा सामने रख दिया और फोटो ले लिया. But in the artistic photo, there is a down to up, हल्का सा tilted perspective, which is adding more depth to the photo. Warping scale in the photo by making Ranveer look tinier in the darkness around him. So this was a very basic gist of what is art and photography. आगे बढ़ते हैं next point पे, जिससे हम art in photography के कुछ rules establish कर सकते हैं. I like to call these four rules the four pillars of photography. These four pillars are story, immersion, camera and body, and wabi sabi. Pillar number one, story. Your photo needs a very defining story attached to it. If someone asks you why you took this photo, भले वो फोटो लेने के 5 मिनट बाद हो या 5 साल बाद हो, you need to have a story behind it. ऐसे नहीं कि देख के अच्छा लगा और भूल गया। अगर आपके फोटो के पीछे एक अच्छी स्टोरी होगी तो बिल्कुल उस स्टोरी के जैसे ही आपका फोटो भी लोगों के दिमाग में हमेशा के लिए रहेगा। Let's take an example for this. Look at this photo carefully. Look at this photograph. This is my team Beer Biceps. This photo was taken after a very hectic shoot day. Guests late aa rahe the, there were problems in the setup, but still you can see a smile on every team member's face. You can also see that each team member's character is standing out and telling a story altogether. So let's break down this photo even further. First, you can see obviously Ranveer hai. He's smiling about something, मस्त चाय पकड़ के खड़ा है. उसके बाजू में you can see गिरीश, वो भी कुछ सुन रहा है, like something, the conversation is very engaging, you can see that. And you can see Akshat as well engaging in the conversation. He's also smiling, listening to Ranveer intently. Then we have Blake over here, चाय का sip ले रहा है आराम से. And finally we have Viraj. He has his own story, like, you know, even after the hectic shoot day के बाद, even with all this chaos going on around him, he's still on a call, probably sorting out some next brand deal or some next guest. And और भी एलिमेंट्स हम देख रहे फोटो में कैसे इसको ब्लैक एंड व्हाइट रखा है मैंने. and that was because I wanted the attention in the photo to go directly on the team members and not anywhere else, like the colors of the outfit or the background or excess light का color वगैरह. तो मेरे को उस पे ध्यान ज़्यादा डालना नहीं था in this photo. I wanted everyone to focus on like the team members in the photo. एंड फोटो का आप देख सकते हो लीडिंग लाइंस के थ्रू और पर्सपेक्टिव के थ्रू जो कन्वर्जिंग लाइंस आ रही है डायगोनल दोनों साइड से, those are also leading the attention straight towards the team members and nowhere else. So it's a very team centric photo कि हाँ everyone's just chilling after a busy day. Ranveer is probably cracking some joke which he could not on the podcast in front of the guest, and just a very overall happy united team feeling वाला photo. Now if you ask me why I took this photo, जैसे मैंने कहा मेरे को बस एक टीम का representation दिखाना था after a very hectic busy day, how the team interacts and what happens behind the scenes. So यही एक बहुत candid सा story था कि I wanted to show कि एक बहुत hectic दिन के बाद कैसे टीम बस chill कर रहा है, and that was the story behind this photo. Pillar number 2, emotion. Now emotion doesn't mean that you immerse the audience in the photo. It's about your own emotion. फोटो में नहीं बट उस मोमेंट में आपका इमोशन. लेट्स टेक दिस फोटो एज एन एग्जांपल. दिस फोटो इज वेरी सिंपल. इट्स ऑफ अ रेलवे स्टेशन नियर माय हाउस. एक ब्रिज है, उस पर एक आदमी चल के जा रहा है. सम प्लेसेस हैव कलर, सम प्लेसेस हैव ब्लैक एंड व्हाइट, and it's very dark. I'll explain what emotion is through a small story behind this photo. Okay, so this photo, I remember it was when I was going through a bit of a rough time in both my career and in my personal life. And I was just coming home one day late from work around like maybe 1:30 a.m. Akela the station पे, as you can see, like there's no one else on the bridge. So you can understand कि इतना खाली है bridge, मतलब बहुत ही late हो गया रात को. And I was just struggling with a lot of things, like I was blocked creatively. Things were not going well in other aspects of my life. And I climbed up the bridge and I just stopped in one place and I saw मेरे सामने एक बहुत ही rare sight कि एक रेलवे का ब्रिज खाली है. And I just looked at that moment, that instance, and I stood still maybe for like a minute or two. And then this man happened to walk by and I just like pointed my camera and just immersed myself over there and just took a photo. And at the same time, like a lot of things were going on in my mind ki in the photo I could see like the darkness coming from the right side, and the checkered tiles on the right side, they indicate ki jo darkness hai, that is the difficulty that was there in my life at that point. And the checkered tiles are also a representation of all the chaotic thoughts in my head. And jo bridge samne ja raha hai with the man walking on it, you can see that this light coming from the left side. The reason for keeping that in color is because I wanted to show ki maybe the light, the color is like my creativity, like that will guide me through this dark phase. So that man also becomes like a representation of my hope through creativity ki okay, I'll get out of this dark time. And again, like the darkness coupled with the light and limited color in the photo just signifies this ki okay, there's a lot of things going on, a lot of difficulties to overcome, but I'll power through this. So ये थी इस फोटो के पीछे की स्टोरी. बट व्हाट्स मोर इम्पोर्टेंट हियर इज दैट आई वाज एबल टू कंस्ट्रक्ट दिस स्टोरी एंड दिस फोटो बिकॉज ऑफ इमोशन. I gave myself time to think about what I'm feeling, understand the environment around me, relate my thoughts to it, and then take the photo. ऐसे नहीं लगा कि अरे भाई अभी फोटो नहीं लूंगा तो आदमी चला जाएगा, लाइट चेंज होगा और मे बी कोई और आ जाएगा फ्रेम में. नो, I just stood there, understood